Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yostia from class management 22A. I want to explain management inventory. Definition from inventory management is a system for managing the inventory of goods from a company. Usually, companies have a special definition that maintains and manages the inventory of goods owned by a company. According to Budi Harsanto, is his book Intel Basic Skills of Operation Management. Inventory management is a series of decisions or policies of a company with the aim of ensuring that the company can provide quality inventory such as a certain amount and time. Inventory management objective. Number 1 is maximize inventory items at minimal cost. Number 2, ensure safety stock. Number 3 is allow free time for production and purchasing management. Number 4 is anticipate change in demand and supply. Type of inventory. Number 1 is raw material inventory. Number 2, supplies inventory. Number 3, work is in process inventory. Number 4 is parts or components inventory. Number 5 is finished goods inventory. Inventory management function. Adi Harjanto explained that inventory management has many functions for a company operation, including number 1 is eliminate the risk of late delivery of raw materials or goods needed by the company. Number 2, eliminate the risk if the material ordered is not good, so it must be returned. Number 3 is eliminate the risk of rising price of goods or inflation. Number 4 is the store raw materials that are produced seasonally so that the company will not be in trouble if the raw materials are not available in the market. Inventory management methods are materials recruitment planning. This method is a system used to calculate the detailed quantities of raw materials or components needed to produce an item. This method is a method used to ensure that raw materials are always available. Education to keeping raw materials available. This method is also that the inventory is not too large. This useful cost is not to cost a lot of money. Inventory management methods. This method is the simplest and is generally used for small scale business. Manual stock review involves analyzing regular stock on hand and projects feature needs. Manual stock review can provide control over the inventory management process. However, the drawback of these methods is time efficiency, as it is time consuming, and human error is also an obstacle in using these methods. Inventory management methods are just in time. These methods adapt to the production process and save cost incurred. So, new inventory will be purchased only when needed to avoid leftovers. To implement the methods, business must always build relationship with suppliers. This is done so that always be ready to provide stock for the company. Inventory management methods are analysis activity-based cost. Methods categories inventory into three categories. The represent the inventory value and cost significance of items. Category A is represent high value and low quantity items. Category B represent medium value and medium quantity items, and category C represents low value and high quantity items. For example, grouping inventory between mode, paint, and nails. What is labeled with group A because what needs special treatment. For example, grouping inventory between what paint and nails. What is labeled with group because what needs special treatment. For storage, the prevent it from the deteriorating. Inventory management methods are economic order quantity. This method is commonly referred to as the economic order quantity methods. AKK is one of the inventory management methods by parsing inventory according to the orders received. It is determined that the order quantity, specification and be completed. The entrepreneur will patch the is currently made basic of the calculation of mentioned expense and thank you very much. And I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.